Let's make this kinky low cut hairstyle. So we will be using a bouncy kinky and a glue, spoke, and your comb. So first thing first, I like weaving the back first like so. So all you have to do is you tear the part, you use a little bit of attachment and you weave. You know, a lot of people have different methods which they make this particular hairstyle. So this is my method. So I decided to share a very detailed tutorial on how to make this hairstyle. I've made a video like this before, but that's like 2 years back. So I thought to do another video showing you guys detailedly on how I made that hairstyle. All you have to do is follow this video from start to finish, and you're going to see exactly how I achieved that beautiful hairstyle. So now I'm going to weave the front all back. So like I said before, people like different hairstylists, they have their own method of making this particular hairstyle. Some may want to weave it all around, some may want to weave it whichever way they want, but this is my method. So since it's a crochet hair, you try as much as you can not to make the weaving so tight, because while you want to crochet it may be painful. So do not weave the hair very tight. All you have to do is weave it all back, and also do not weave the hair very big. Just try as much as you can to give it a medium size weaving, so as to make the crochet, or like when you start trimming the hair, it won't be looking very big, like it's going to lay flat like the person cuts their hair. So you just do the same weaving and all. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video as we proceed with this tutorial. Now just continue watching this video. Now a lot of person will like, this hairstyle doesn't last and all the rest. So I think this hairstyle is for you wanting to know how you are going to look when you are on a low cut, or a particular color you've been trying to bleach your hair and it's not coming out. You can just use the kinky, whichever color you want, and it will give you the look. So I would want you to watch this video till the very end, because this is a very detailed tutorial and you're going to see the procedure step by step as we go on. So just like I said, you're going to weave the both side like that. Now the reason why I did it so, it's because I don't want this back side to be too big. I want it to be a bit flat. So that is why I did it so. All you have to do now is start sewing it down and make sure it's lay very flat. So after you secure and you sew your cut, make sure you secure the knots, then you cut. So this is what it's going to be looking like. Now down to the crocheting. You have to split the kinky, like cut it into 4 places. So I first did the first cut, and now I'm cutting the second part like so, as you can see. Now the reason why I'm cutting it so is because we are going to be doing a lot of trimming in this hair. So we don't want the kinky to waste so much, you get. So it's better you cut it as short as you can, and not so short that it won't, like when you after spoking, it won't pull off. So after that, you start spoking strands by strands. Make sure it's not so big and it's not so small. After you spoke, you tie to secure the knot. Now this procedure is going to take a while. Now this is the main work, like this spoken part is, I would say, is the part that takes so much time when you're making this particular hairstyle. So now you're just going to try as much as you can to spoke them bit by bit, line by line, and let them be so close. And another thing is that the reason why you should cut the kinky as short as you can, so you won't use so much of it. Like the first video I did, I used the smaller pack of kinky. I used a pack and a half, but this particular I used this bigger kinky, and I'm using one pack. But at the end of the day, I didn't finish the pack. I think about one strand, one bundle, and was remaining. So it wasn't even up to, I think it wasn't, this particular one I think is in 75 gram, and I did not use all the 75 gram. So I realized it's because I cut it this way. And when you're spoking, don't spoke so much. Spoke the quantity that you feel is okay. Now you just have to take detailed note of everything I'm doing. Now the reason why I am starting from the back, so that I'll make sure all those other parts are covered. As you can see, I'm spoking line by line. So you have to take your time. You have to be patient with the hair. Make sure to take your time and do the hair. Now, for this other part, my weaving is a bit big. So if you notice, I'm spoking from one side and I'll spoke on the other side on that same hair, like on that same weaved hair. So when I spoke on the right part, I'll spoke on the left part. I'm doing all this because after trimming, I don't want the weaving to be showing. I don't want the weaving to be showing, so that when I trim, it will just be giving a natural hair look. So just go on with this video. This video is a very, very short one, and you have to be very patient with the video for you to get everything detailedly. So this video is beginners friendly and also for professionals. Most times I always say learning never ends, because there may be one or two things I do differently that works for me, and you do differently that works for you. So watching this video will give you more hints or see how I did my own to achieve my look. You're gonna go on with this video and make sure to watch this video till the very end. Just like I said before, you must put them close to each other, just like what I'm doing. When you've gotten to the front part of the hair, make sure to reduce the size a bit and spoke it gently, so you won't end up making it so tight and won't end up pulling the person's hair. So this video is all about how to crochet this hair, how to weave it, and the size of kinky you're supposed to be spoken. And like what I'm doing right now, you can take note of that. You see, you make sure to get to the very beginning part. So this video, I filmed it at night and my lights went off, so I had to continue the video the following day. So you're going to watch out for the part 2 of this video. The part 2 consists of how I trimmed the hair, how I used my lace glue to hold down the kinky at the outer part of her hair, and every other detail you will be needing. And if you have watched this video till this very extent, I would love you to give this video a thumbs up. Do well to subscribe to my channel, so whenever I drop a video, you will be notified. So kindly watch out for the part 2 of this video. This is what the hair looks like after spoken it. See you guys in the next video.